Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix delayed notifications on your POCO M8 Pro smartphone. Sometimes the battery optimization feature makes it so you get your notifications from your social media apps not in time. Not only social media apps, basically all of the applications, but I think the most important ones are the messengers, social media, and also mail applications that we don't want to miss notifications from, since it might be something urgent. But we can always fix this issue in a couple of simple ways. All you have to do is hold your finger down on an application that you want to fix, then tap information icon above it. Then first of all, disable pausing app activity if unused by switching this toggle to the left. Then go to battery and change the battery mode to no restrictions, so that your notifications from this application come in time, always do. And so that's how you fix this issue. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.